Hi my dear readers, in this video I would like to talk about my coming webinar, which is going to be done via Zoom. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be very information rich, like the webinar that I did previously, which I was told was very information rich. That's the reason I make them, so that people really gain much more awareness. And since I'm very familiar with energy testing, I've been using it for a very long time, all these 5 methods that I'm going to teach you about, I'm very confident in being able to teach you how to use them so that you're able to know the answer to any question that you have. And it's very common for us not to know the answer and not know how to find out, because you see, if you're looking for it outside, it's not really working, because you may find one answer or another, but it's not coming from you. So it may be correct or it may be incorrect. But in this webinar, I'm going to teach you 5 methods to apply to get the answer to any question that you have in any situation. So one method will be useful for one situation, another method for another situation. So basically, then you're not making as many mistakes in life. You are going through life more smoothly as a result of getting these answers from within you, getting these answers through tuning in to your subconscious in different ways. And your subconscious knows the answer. It's aware of everything around you. It has so much information, but because of our always employed conscious mind, we don't have access to the subconscious unless we know and master the methods that I'm going to talk about. And that's the usefulness of this webinar, to help you to get in touch with your unconscious that already knows the answers to your questions. In the world of duality, we may see only the question and not the answer, but it's there and it's in your subconscious. If you have the question, you already have the answer. You just need to uncover it. So that's what the webinar will be about. Click on the link below this video and I hope to see you in the webinar. That's going to take place on the 9th of October on Sunday. So I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care.